Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on color inversion mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to turn on color inversion mode? So we need to go to settings first, then we're looking for accessibility menu here, and here we have visibility enhancements. And in here, as you can see, we have our color inversion mode. So we can just turn it on from here. As you can see, there is no need to save. The phone will remember our setting, so we can safely go back to our home screen. As you can see, the color inversion is turned on. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.